Hi, I'm Barry, this is Lockdown Drama, you are there, and if this is your first time, welcome. Also, if it's your first time, please go and watch Introduction to Lockdown Drama before you watch this. If nothing else, enjoy how much my hair has in fact changed since lockdown started. Speaking of change, I'm going to tell you that what's happening out there in the big wide world is things are starting to ease. That means that people are going back to work, lots of shops are opening, some lucky people are going back to school. But I'm going to keep doing Lockdown Drama. Okay, I'm going to keep posting these videos, and also I'm not seeing my drama groups yet, so if you're one of my drama groups, hello, really would love to be with you, but keep coming here. Now, as you know, I'm not one of those YouTuber types where I go, hi guys, I love you, thanks so much for watching, remember to subscribe, hit the button, love you, lols. I'm not one of those. However, if you do hit subscribe, you will know when a new video comes on. Okay, enough of the talking. Let's get started. Today's session is called Movement Echo. Now you'll notice that I've got a bit more space because if I step back, you can see a bit more of me. And the reason for that is I'm going to use a bit more of my body, and that's what you need to do. Now, what do you need for Movement Echo? You need one person, you need you. That's what you need. But you could have a lot of you doing this at the same time. And also when I finished, it would be great if you were a leader and you led other people in this. So I'm going to lead you, but after this, you could lead anybody you like at home. It is more fun with more people. Okay, so what do we have to do? Right, so demonstrate here. I'm going to stop moving my hands around because it's really annoying. Okay, I look a bit like a monkey, always look like a monkey. Now, I'm going to do 3 movements. So that's 3 movements. I'm not going to tell you what they are because that will ruin the surprise. They're not complicated. Actually, those movements are going to be positions. So I'm going to put my body in 3 different positions. What I would like you to do is copy me. But, big but, rude. But you need to do the one I've just done. Okay, so the one before the one I'm doing. Right, so when I'm doing my second movement, you are going to start and do my first. I'll talk you through it. Here we go. Right, here's my first movement. Hands on head, don't do anything. Second movement now. Put your hands on your head as I do that. Third movement, you put your hands on your hips. Fourth movement, cross your hands over your chest. Got it? Let's do that again as a demonstration. But I'm not going to talk to you. Just do my first movement when you start. You are going to start on my second movement. So here we go. Don't do anything straight away. Go. Did you get that? If you didn't get that, pause, take me back. Right? So you are echoing me because you're doing the one I did before. Okay? Excuse me. Right. Now you've got it. Let's do it again. But this time I'm going to do different movements and I'm going to keep it going. So just keep going. And I'll also keep it nice and rhythmic so you know when to change. Right. So don't do my first movement when I do it. Do it when I do my second movement. Here we go. I've stopped there. You should have your arms folded. Well done. I felt myself getting a bit faster. Was I going too fast? I hope not. Well done if you kept up. If you want to try that again, take me back because we're going to do it one more time. This time you're going to go 2 behind me. Let's check out my first ones, which were, let me just check again, let me remember. This, I think, this, and this. Well, that's what I'm going to do anyway. This, and this. So when I do this, you don't do anything. When I do this, you don't do anything. When I do that, you're going to put your hands in your head. Okay? Except I'm not doing those movements. I'm doing different ones. Maybe the same as I've already done. Rolling myself, getting ready. Get yourself prepared. You notice that some of my movements were quite predictable. I'm not trying to trick you because I know how much you have to concentrate anyway. So, you're doing 2 behind. I'll give you a nod when you should start, but remember the first one and the second one I do because you're going to do them. Right. Here we go. Go, fold your arms. Hands on hips. Hands on head. Not going to talk anymore. Smile doesn't count. I'm stopping there. If you've got your arms folded, you managed to do it. Well done. Well done. Yeah. Oh, that takes a lot of concentration, doesn't it? Well done if you did it. If you want to try again, take me back, take me back, take me back. Okay, now you've had a go. And if you've got other people in the room, get them in and one of you can be the leader now. And do the one where they've got to do 1 behind. It is possible, by the way, to do it 3 behind or even 4 behind, but it gets ever so complicated and your brain starts tying itself in knots. Thank you so much for joining me. Good luck with that. See you again soon. Hit the button, guys. Oh, I said it. Bye.